Check it out.
Check it out. There was a 25% off on this, so you do the mathematics. So yeah, this was it. Because I'm very bad at maths. On कर रही है?
On it.
Oh God. Hi guys, this is Pooja. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new vlog. And today is Choti Diwali or Dhanteras. Today is Sunday. We are celebrating Dhanteras today. I wanted to make this vlog a couple of days back, but I didn't find time. Today I was relatively free, so I thought I'll make this vlog today. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, during Diwali, there is one ritual that I always follow, which is hopping to stores for home decor. Whether I want to buy stuff or not, there is a hopping that I do, that I go to home center, I go to hometown in T Nagar, and I go to west side. I just see what is the new stuff that is there anything that I want or I wish to buy, and only when I feel that this is something that I don't have and I really need it, I buy it. So I basically don't indulge in impulsive buying ki I see something, I like it and I need it. I'm not that kind of person. So only when I feel that yes, I need this and I don't have this, I buy it. So I got few things from home center and west side. I didn't buy anything from hometown. So I thought I'll show you that in this vlog. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So the first thing that I got from west side is this caddy with a set of 6 glasses of cutting chai, and I absolutely loved this one. It looks gorgeous. It can be used as just a decor piece, and of course for my recipe videos as a prop, and of course we can use them, right? Whenever we are sitting together to have chai, we can just serve it in them, or you just use these glasses. So this is something that I find very, very useful. So this is what I bought, and very reasonable, guys. The price of this, including the glasses and the caddy, is just $4.99, which is a very good deal. So I thought I should not miss this, and I bought this. So this is the first thing I bought from west side. So दूसरी चीज़ जो मैंने वेस्ट साइड से ली वो है ये. This is a fake plant with some beautiful lavender flowers. I absolutely loved this. The moment I saw this, plus the price, I decided that I need this just as a decor piece, plus for my recipe shoots as a props, because sometimes we keep plants, etc., right, when we shoot recipes. So this is apt for that. It is of plastic, it's not ceramic, but it is not that cheap quality plastic. It is of a high grade plastic, and the price of this is $3.99. I absolutely love this piece. So the other thing and the last thing that I bought from west side are these diyas, which has candle in it. And the reason why I bought is they said the amount collected by selling these diyas will be going for a good cause, for a social cause. So I thought, why not? And I got these diyas, very cute ones with glitter in it. So that was it about west side. And moving on to the home center haul, I bought a couple of things from home center, and the very first thing that I liked was this plant. It is a fake plant, and trust me guys, when I keep it in the planter में रखा हुआ, ये बिल्कुल fake नहीं लगता है. And that is why, unless and until someone touches and see कि is this a real plant, they will not know कि ये fake है. बहुत beautiful लगता है planter में रखा हुआ. That's because not just for my videos, this I just got as a home decor piece, because maintaining even the indoor plants becomes a task sometimes. Sometimes you overwater or you underwater them, and they tend to either rotten or they get dried up. So not everywhere we can afford to keep or maintain indoor plants, which is why I thought एक दो fake ले लेते हैं. So ये मैंने लिया, which is very nice. This is also plastic, but good quality plastic, and this is how the plant looks. I will give you guys a look कि ये planter में रखा हुआ कैसा लगता है, उसकी look मैं आपको ज़रूर दिखाऊंगी. और अब आते हैं इसके price पे. $7.99 का है, and trust me, फॉर द क्वालिटी 799 इज़ रीज़नेबल, क्योंकि ये रखा हुआ बिल्कुल फेक नहीं लगता है. सो इट इज़ नाइस. सो दिस इज़ द अदर थिंग. और ये मैंने नहीं ख़रीदा, ये विपुल ने ख़रीदा है, बिकॉज विपुल लव्स होम सेंटर के कॉफ़ी मग्स. ये सेट ऑफ 3 ही इज़ बीन बाइंग दिस फॉर द लास्ट आई थिंक 15 साल. पिछले 15 साल से ड्यूरिंग दिवाली और कोई भी सेल टाइम में जब हम होम सेंटर जाते हैं, दिस इज़ समथिंग दैट विपुल ऑलवेज बाइज. ही लव्स देम. सो ये हमने ख़रीदा. ब्यूटीफुल. मैंने अभी तक निकाला भी नहीं है. मैं निकाल के आपको लुक दिखाऊंगी कि हाउ डू दे एग्जैक्टली लुक लाइक. दे आर ब्यूटीफुल. और इसका जो प्रिंट है, आई हैव फ्यू मग्स जो मैं पिछले आई डोंट नो कितने सालों से यूज़ कर रही हूँ, एटलीस्ट 7 to 8 ईयर्स से यूज़ कर रही हूँ. इसका जो प्रिंट है बिल्कुल नहीं निकलता है. दे स्टे इंटैक्ट, विच इज़ वाई प्रॉबेबली विपुल लाइक्स देम. आई डोंट नो. ओके. सो इसका प्राइस एक्चुअल जब हम ये शुरू में ख़रीदते थे गाइज, ये 300 में 300 350 में तीनों आ जाते थे. एंड अब इसका प्राइस हो गया 899. बट देर वॉज अ डिस्काउंट ऑन दिस. देर वॉज अ 25% ऑफ ऑन दिस. सो यू डू द मैथमेटिक्स. सो या दिस वॉज इट. ओके. सो दी अदर थिंग इज़ दिस. और ये मैंने दिस इज़ एक्चुअली मल्टीपर्पज़. हम इसमें चाहें तो कुछ रख भी सकते हैं. अदरवाइज बेसिकली इट्स अ स्मॉल कढ़ाई. इट्स अ सर्विंग कढ़ाई एंड इट इज़ नॉट सेरेमिक. इट इज़ अ मार्बल फिनिश का. एंड इट इज़ नॉट इवन इट्स मेलामाइन. आई डोंट नो ये मेलामाइन है क्या है. खैर जो भी है अच्छा है. एंड द प्राइस इज़ जस्ट 199. एंड दिस आई प्योरली गॉट फॉर मैट एंड लैडल फॉर माई रेसिपी वीडियोज़. सो ये मुझे बहुत प्यारी लगी. एंड इट इज़ मल्टीपर्पज़. आप इसमें कुछ रख भी सकते हो. सो या दिस इज़ इट. और होम सेंटर जाते हैं सो कैंडल्स आर अ मस्ट. और मेरे पास पहले की भी रखी हुई थी जो मैंने यूज़ नहीं की अभी तक, तो मैंने ज़्यादा नहीं ख़रीदी. दिस इज़ अ सेट ऑफ 50 कैंडल्स. और ये पड़ी 399 की. एंड ट्रस्ट मी गाइस, पहले हम ये कितने की लाते थे? 199. पहले हम ये सेंटेड कैंडल्स लाते थे 50 पीसेस इन 199. और अब प्राइस हो गया है 399. होम सेंटर के जो प्राइजेज़ हैं, देव गॉन सो हाई that everything was very expensive. And ये lemongrass, so I got these in 299. and these are floating candles, 12 pieces. Yeah. Okay, so the other thing is for cooking again. This is a knife. I have too many knives gifted by brands, or I have bought them. But I didn't have a small one. I have many small one, but not as fancy as this to be used for my recipe videos. तो ये मुझे बहुत cute fancy लगा, so मैंने ये एक लिया है. Otherwise I have many other big chef knives. तो ये छोटा सा लिया. It's a ceramic one and it looks cute. And price इसका 349. It's for 349. इसमें they had different sizes. Again when I saw this, my eye was on the chef knife, and Vipul said बड़े तो इतने सारे हैं, why don't you buy a small one? So I thought okay चलो let's buy a smaller one. So yeah, and the other one is the silicone ladle. This again is very useful. So मैंने ये लिया, and this is the only color they had. और इसका price है 399. So this is the last thing that I bought. This is from the Ranveer Brar collection. This is how it looks. They are very good quality storage jar set of 18 piece. मेरा बिल्कुल मूड नहीं था 18 पीस लेने का. To be very honest, I just wanted 3-4 एक जैसे दिखने वाले डब्बे. And I didn't want glass because glass टूट जाते हैं. So which and इसका प्राइस सुनने के बाद I decided to buy this because it is definitely worth for the quality. I will show you why. Okay, let me first tell you इसका प्राइस क्या था. इसका प्राइस था 1299, which is like 1300. And why I decided to take the entire set of 18 is because of the quality. So this is how it looks. If you actually see, ये बिल्कुल glass finish देता है. It looks like a glass jar, but है very good quality plastic, and it is unbreakable. और black lid है, बहुत neat finish है इसकी. So yeah, this is how it looks. Of course खुलने के बाद प्लास्टिक वाली लुक आती है, बट जब अगर हम बंद करके इसको शेल्फ में ये रखा हुआ है तो दूर से बिल्कुल ये ग्लास जार वाली फील आती है। एंड इसके डिफरेंट साइजेस थे। आई सेड 18 पीस का सेट था, तो इसके डिफरेंट साइजेस थे विच आर दिस, ये और ईच साइज में 6 पीसेस हैं। सो आई डिडंट वांट दीज मैनी बट द प्राइस वाज अफोर्डेबल, सो मैंने सोचा कि चलो पूरा सेट ही ले लेते हैं। सो विच इज़ वाई आई बॉट द होल सेट। So yeah, बस इतना सा था। As I said, I just got a couple of things from both the store. From hometown, I did go to hometown, but I didn't buy anything from hometown. Whereas I liked only one piece, one particular tray that I saw there was absolutely gorgeous, but मैंने खरीदी नहीं, पता नहीं क्यों। Price was also quite reasonable, but मैंने खरीदा नहीं। So yeah, this is it. And हो सकता है you see this vlog in 2 different parts. This can be the part 1 and the latter part जहाँ पे हम धनतेरस celebrate करेंगे, रंगोली and all, वो that can be part 2. So stay tuned and watch the vlog and completely till the end.